welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been long that I've been on this YouTube environment, but yeah, man has to hustle. So I was hustling during my summer break and I had a lot to do during summer, so I couldn't post. So I'll be showing you guys some of the things I did during my summer break. So I just recorded a few days in this summer that I'll be showing you guys. I hope you enjoy it. So first thing first, I went to brush my teeth in the morning. I took my bath and I came to wash my plates. I came out, started washing my plates, cleaning the environment, and also I prepared what I'm going to eat later in the evening because I don't eat in the morning. This summer I try to make it a normal routine for me not to eat in the morning. In the morning I'll take my lemon and chia seed. That's what I take in the morning. So I made semo and egusi soup. And as you can see, it's looking very, very delicious. And it was very, very delicious. I couldn't wait to close from work so that I can come and get some food to eat. So when I was done cooking, I got ready and here I'm already going to work. I was going to the shop to make hair. And yeah, the hustling I was telling you about is to make hair. I make hair for people that come to enjoy their vacation, and most of them are usually curious about Afro styles. So most of them will want to do it and maybe experience it sort of, and some of them might have done it before and they want to still do it. So we used to have a lot of customers every day, a lot of clients, and yeah, we make them look very beautiful. Though their hair is kind of difficult, at the same time it is nice to make their hair because they pay well and they used to really appreciate your handwork. Like when you are done making it, you see the happiness in your client's face. It's something else, it's touched differently. So these are the few video I was able to video while making hair because it's a really busy summer, so I can't get everything or video a lot of videos, a lot of hair that I'm making. These are just the few that I'm showing you guys, and look at how beautiful they are. They try, they try. I just they give them hot, they make them beautiful. And we also get to see some activities that is happening around us, like this wedding that I saw. Very simple. I better listen to what I was saying there. Very simple life. See, very simple, so beautiful. I was just admiring the couples because no stress, just the groom, bride, chief bridesmaid, and the best man. That's all, and they are good to go. So later I went to create some TikTok videos that we post, just trying to keep up with my posting of content, despite the fact it was really stressful.